They're gonna turn you into Lego. Wow, cool. What do we see here? One, two, three.
So 3?
The baby.
And the baby? Yeah. Okay, guys. So you guys are gonna split into 2 for me, and then.
I got a martini last night.
This is some.
Yeah, when you guys get ready.
Oh no, what happened to them?
Once everyone in your row is seated, please secure all loose articles. During your run, remain seated and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the white vehicle at all times.
Make sure you hold it.
Please stand by.
Alright. Make sure you grab this, okay? Yes? Yes?
Daddy, no camera.
No camera? Oh no. Okay. My girl says no camera. Okay. Okay? Oh, okay.
I need your help to wake him up. Roar as loud as you can after 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
Roar! Not out enough. Again. 1, 2, 3. Roar! He's awake.
Stage 2, molding.
Now our elephants splash the melted granules into the machine, and our octopus helps to mold it into Lego bricks.
Stage 3, minifigure production.
That's right. Now it's time to shrink you down and test the Prego-matic, turning you into a Lego minifigure. Yes. The machine is experimental, but don't worry, they'll be turned into minifigures of some form or another. Hold on, everyone. This is it.
Whoa.
The transformation is complete.
Stage 4, packaging.
I can't wait to see what you look like as a minifigure. Aha! You look awesome! Move your arms. Come on, give yourself a wave and strike a pose for the camera in 3, 2, 1.
The camera's over there.
Stage 5, dispatch.
It's time to get packaged up inside your box and transported to one of our excited customers.
Let's get you from the factory to your new homes.
Oh.
This is the greatest adventure of all. Time to play. Lego Factory Adventure Ride. You have experienced how Lego bricks are made and been turned into your very own minifigure. But the fun doesn't stop there. Now it's time to enjoy the rest of your day here at Legoland. Yes. And please don't forget to take any belongings with you. Goodbye. See you again soon. Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir. Salut. Bye.
That's so creepy.
Come. Let's go. Oh, this way. Was it fun? She said nothing. Oh, let's check out the pictures. No pictures? Alright, then let's go. There's supposed to be pictures. Okay, now time to buy your Lego. Did you get packaged into one of these boxes? Remember you get packaged into a Lego? Yeah? Let's find. Maybe you got packaged into a Lego. Yeah?